The Shiba Inu's price is set to skyrocket to $2 on the news that the planned merging would occur. Do you know the future of the Shiba Inu coin? Please update me on the most recent developments involving this cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll discuss these issues and more. Please enjoy the Rich Coin channel. Don't miss the next video by not liking this one and subscribing to the channel. Shiba Inu currently trade at a live price of 11 cents USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $301 million USD. The value of one Shiba in American dollars is continually being updated on our site. Stock in Shibas has dropped 2.47% over the past day, while investors in SHIB are holding out for a new high. The last several days have seen a decline in asset volatility and trading volume. This demonstrates that the consolidation period preceded the development of the current trend. Price consolidation is often interpreted as presaging a major new development. In this time frame, the SHIB price created a tight trading range between the levels of 50 cents as support and 55 cents as resistance. When the pair finally breaks out of the descending triangle, it usually means the downward trend has come to a halt, at least temporarily. To get the SHIB coin back on an upward trend, the bulls need to be totally committed to the market. There are apparently new developments at the Shiba Inu burning party in hell, where the fire has been raging despite a few minor setbacks. But this time around, the Shiba community had extra reasons to celebrate. By means of an Amazon affiliate link, the Shiba Inu Games portal has implemented a new, fire-based system. According to the numbers in August, the Shiba Inu Shiba Superstore accomplished a 3-month milestone of surpassing $2,000 in burn tokens. At this point in time, however, I'm skeptical that the current rate of progress can be maintained. The Shiba Megastore was still on schedule to fulfill the burns from last month, although her rate of burning may be decreasing as of this writing. According to Travis Johnson, the Shiba Superstore's administrator, one probable explanation for the current mania was recently discussed on the platform. Check out the tweet below to see how much Shiba Inu coins have been burned through the Amazon affiliate program so far. The information below comes from the last 2 days of Amazon. Amazon, in my opinion, has enormous potential. Please click the link on the main page before you buy avocados, burns 2,000 sheep stamps, and consumes 83,000 sheep. All of these purchases will add up. More than 40 million sheep were killed as a result of this program. There will no longer be 432 million sheep in circulation after this month. Johnson mentioned the increase of almost $70 from the previous week in a tweet. You have all done a fantastic job. I know I keep saying this, but if everyone got together and contributed just a little bit each week, we could easily double the amount of fuel we burn each week. Even though we're only halfway through the month, he suggested we might end up burning more sheep in October than we did in September. Around $860 worth of livestock had been burned at that point. 84,729,064 sheep. We expect to surpass last month's results, Johnson said. On the other hand, Kyburn.com, the most reliable website for monitoring sheep burns, has data to present. Over the past 7 days, over 395.80 billion Shiba Inu sheep have been slaughtered, including 50 billion in the past 24 hours and 43.23 billion in a single large transaction. Kyburn also noted a significant daily rise of 584.46% in the volume of Shiba Inus incinerated. At the same time, holders demonstrated their confidence by contributing to the much-needed uptick in the figures. There are now 1,224,583 Shiba Inu holders, as reported by CoinMarketCap, as compared to the 1,114,483 counted on January 3rd. This number represents a 9% increase. What does this possibly mean for the holders? According to a story published on October 15th, the answer is a resounding yes. But for the past 2 months, Shiba Inu Shiba bears have dictated the zeitgeist according to their whims. Still, even with this reality in place, Shiba Inu has struggled to maintain the high prices it saw during the 2021 upswing. Despite the fact that the digital asset's utility and use cases have been argued for, its value has declined with time. Now that the meme coin price has dropped below a key technical level, sellers have been prompted to take action. In the past few months, the price of SHIB has been steadily rising, and it is already well above 1 cent. Bears had initially ignored this level, but the meme coin eventually found support here, making it crucial. To put it another way, bears now have to try to outbid a price of 1 cent. And they finally have. Shiba Inu puppies were selling for less than a penny in the wee hours of Thursday morning. It shouldn't be a surprise, since SHIB was one of the worst affected among the top cryptocurrencies, recording a 7.66% decline over the last 24 hours. The cryptocurrency was merely following the general market trend that had prompted losses in the market. The next support level for SHIB appears to be right at 8 cents, putting it well below its 50-day moving average. As a result of its decline in value, the meme currency is now ranked number 15 on the list of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap, behind Ion Trex. The market sell-offs have begun after the price dropped below 1 cent, which was widely predicted. One of the most prominent of these is a whale that dumped a huge number of tokens all at once. The 2.8 trillion tokens were moved to a new wallet and are now worth about $27.7 million. The tokens were either sold off or stored somewhere by the whale. The kicker is that the whale bought these tokens roughly 2 months ago. So if they sold them now, they would have suffered a huge loss. During this time period, the dollar value of Ethereum whale holdings has also decreased. They have lost over $7 million in value during the past week. Some large-scale investors may have dumped their holdings, and the falling value of the digital asset is also a factor. Since a further collapse in the crypto market is anticipated, it's possible that the SHIB losses aren't over just yet. Given that it is a meme coin, its value would fall even more precipitously than the market as a whole. Owners of Shiba Inu should therefore prepare for a lengthy journey. A Shiba Inu she is battled to oscillation beyond the chains of its trendline. For over 2 months, White's resistance was futile. The dog-themed coin's bearish edge has kept it sensitive to sell-offs from its near-term EMA. For brevity, SHIB prices are multiplied by 1,000 from here on. Recently, buying activity picked up again near the 957 cent support, but the buyers were unable to change the negative outlook for the immediate future. The sellers might be aided in their search for new lows by a sustained move below the 1,014 cents. As of the time of this writing, one SHIB was worth 1,013 cents, down 2.82% in the last 24 hours. She cried all the way up the channel. Will the bears rally hold? While the bears were busy undermining the breakout of the bullish pennant pattern, the Shiba's lift off from the 957 cents level last week laid the groundwork for a fleeting bull surge toward the 2-hour red and the 50 EMA cyan. Buyers in an ascending channel rally attempt to break free from the constraints of the 50 moving average. The pattern breakdown caused by the anticipated reversal sent her back to being bearish. As long as the 20 and 50-day moving averages were pointing south, sellers would likely maintain control in the near term. There may be further declines until the price finds support above the 1,014 cents level. An immediate or eventual closure over the 1,014 cents mark can expose the token toward a short-term upside. In this instance, the $0.981 mark would be the first key support level for the sellers to challenge. Under such conditions, SHIB may experience a bearish invalidation and move toward the 103 cents level. Along with this high bearish edge, the check